Okay, everyone, pull stations need stopper covers with built-in alarms installed over them, especially in schools and in any place where there are kids that don't know better not to pull fire alarms for fun. So, if somebody tries to pull the fire alarm when there is no fire, they will lift the cover and then an alarm will go off. And those people will not pull it because there is a lot of attention, because there is an alarm going off. Now, when there is a real fire, make sure you lift the cover and you pull the box on the inside. Only lifting the cover does not cause the fire alarm system to activate. That alarm on the cover is there to deter pranksters from pulling it for fun. Bye.